looks like a good spot to nap. Agree? Yeah, I agree. Misty, you agree? Yes, this looks like a very good spot to rest. Yeah, we really need a little rest. Agreed. Double agreed. That's so soft. I agree. Don't talk in that sassy voice. Kiddokies. Lay down, Harmony. This is just a very soft spot. We should rest here for a while. Yeah, we totally should. Agreed. You guys, we should eat. Agreed. Agreed.